What's up, y'all? We back at it like a crack addict with another one. I want to first say, hope y'all having a beautiful and blessed day. Today's topic is about fear versus faith. Fear versus faith. Why? Faith is damn near the most powerful thing you can have in this reality, and fear is one of the most negative things that you can have in this reality. They're the opposites. They're on two different pluralities. Let's talk about what actually is faith and what actually is fear. Now, you can of course look it up on Google and do the definition, but my definition for faith is your belief in the unseen reality. My definition for fear is your disbelief in the unseen reality. Okay, so let me give you an example. I think I've said this example before, but fuck it. I'm skating down a hill and it's a very steep hill. I can do two things. I can be afraid of that hill, or I can have faith in myself. There's no in between, correct? And me having fear into the reality that I'm going to eat shit and die is probably going to create the reality. So that fear of me having that fear is going to create my reality, okay? Instead of having faith and being like, I'm confident in my skills, then that is going to create my reality of me, landing the trick or, going down the hill safely. All right. And what I mean by this, when you have fear, there's certain subconscious things that you do that can mess you up more. Okay, so let's go back to the skateboarding example. If I'm skateboarding down a hill and I have fear, I might put my foot down. My weight distribution might be off, because I'm not accepting the present moment. That's another definition of fear. You're not accepting the present moment, okay? Because I'm not accepting the present moment, because my foot's like halfway out the door, it fucks me up more and I get injured more or something happens to me. You have faith and you can just have confidence into the unseen reality, and that will create your reality. So if I had faith that I was going downhill, right? If I had faith in my abilities, then it would create the reality. You get what I'm saying? Do you get what I'm saying? So my point with making this video is, with life, you have to take leaps and you have to take jumps, and you can't always be 100% sure about what's gonna happen. You kind of just gotta go. Like with YouTube, I didn't know what was gonna happen. I'm just going with it. I'm just flowing. I'm just doing what I gotta do. I could have a fear about what people may think of me, what blah 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 blah. You know what I'm saying? There's infinite fears. There's always infinite reasons to have fear, but there's always infinite reasons to have faith. Okay, so it's your choice. You decide which lane that you want to go into. You're never gonna be 100% sure of the future because the future isn't created yet. Okay, so you're never gonna be 100% in the future. So you can either have fear of the future or you can have faith into the future. You have to have a mindset. You have to start having a mindset that everything is going to be all right, no matter what. It doesn't matter if there's $1 in your bank account. It doesn't matter if there's $1 million in your bank account. Everything is going to be all right, no matter what. Okay, life is going to test you. That's what we're here for. It's all just one big test. Alright, so it's going to test you. But once you install that subconscious mind belief that everything is going to be all right, and that you have faith in the unseen reality that no matter what happens to you, or no matter what had happened to you, that it all contributes to your chief definite aim. And what your chief definite aim is like your purpose in life. If you have that belief system within you, you're going to be fine no matter what. With this reality, we install a lot of fear into ourselves. We're afraid of what people may think of us. We're afraid of getting injured, getting hurt. Every day there's some reason to be afraid of something. See, like with this election shit, if you really wanted Donald Trump, now you're afraid of what Joe Biden might do, or fucking in 2016, if you really wanted Hillary Clinton, you were afraid of what Donald Trump might do. You see what I'm saying? Like, there's always a fucking reason to be afraid of something, but nothing in this reality can harm you. And when I mean harm you, I mean nothing in this reality can harm you, as in your soul. Yes, you can die from physical things. If somebody shoots me, I'm dead, obviously, but I'm not dead. Dante Culpepper may be dead, but his soul is infinite. My soul will never die. You feel me? So when you realize that your soul can never die and the true you that's actually inside of you can never die, you do not have fear of anything on this external reality. Now, of course, I don't want me to die. I don't want my parents to die. I don't want any of that shit to die. I don't want any of that shit to happen. But I'm not in constant fear of the unseen reality. I have faith that everything's gonna be all right. And if something arises where it's like one of my family members dies or something like that, I'm just gonna be like, okay, yeah, I'm sad. Shit happens. It's sad, but I'm also aware that that on a higher level, I created this reality for myself, for me to go through, so I can become a better person through it. You know what I'm saying? Anything shitty that happened to you, you created that shit. Anything good that happened to you, you created that shit. You're just unaware of it because your awareness, your consciousness is going through this human vessel at this moment. But really, you're an infinite spiritual being. You know what I'm saying? And you created life. You created the universe. Your awareness is just you right now. So you gotta have faith. Alright. That's it for this video. Don't be afraid of shit. Nothing can hurt you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, tell me what you thought. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace out.